Dit is tyd om weer sportnuus te praat en ons kyk na rugby. Die Springbok afrigter Rassie Erasmus het sy besluit verduidelik om die uitgetrede hakker Schalk Brits op te roep in die groep vir die tweede toets teen Engeland Saterdag in Bloemfontein. Brits het onlangs uitgetree uit alle rugby na 9 jaar by die Engelse klub Saracens, maar Erasmus voel duidelik dat die 37-jarige nog baie het om aan te bied.
I feel the more guys you have that's been there and done that, the more the younger guys learn from them and rub shoulders with them and get to understand some of the smaller things. You know, when we still played, things changed a little bit, so I think the guys were more relevant, who played in different competitions, under different competitions against different countries, and styles always bring something to the party, which we saw with Philly and Faf and Dwayne. So I know, as with the case with Dwayne, I know Schalk really well, also coached him for a while, and I know what he will bring to us. So he'll be with us till next week after the test match, and then after that we'll reassess, you know, where he is, because obviously he played his last game 2 weeks ago, so he's still fit and everything, but we'll see after next week.